That's right, people. Your eyes are not deceiving you. That is a beekeeper. And we got a lot to talk about. Don't move a muscle. Stick around. Yeah, a beekeeper ended the game delay in Arizona while the song I Need a Hero played while the beekeeper was getting rid of bees during a baseball game. Yes, this actually happened. You know how they say anything can happen in baseball, and it usually does? Well, this would fall under the anything category, I think is pretty safe to say. So in the comments section, let me know. Have you ever seen anything like this? Did you actually see this happen live? I want to hear from you. And of course, if you love watching baseball as much as we do, make sure to hit the free subscribe button and turn on all notifications. We are so close to our 1,000 subscriber goal, and you guys can help us get there. We all love baseball. We all love free stuff. It just makes sense to subscribe, like, and share. It lets us know that you care.